Let's pack Ella's order. So I've already built up the box and I've already put on the tape. I'm going to add the tissue paper. Ella ordered the starter set. You get 3 products: hydrating hair mist, soothe the scalp, remove itch, dryness, also just to refresh your curls and your textured hair. And it's also very lightweight, so it's perfect for locks and braids. We also ordered the Mango Nourish and Shine. So this is an all-natural hair grease which I created inspired by mango, so it smells absolutely divine. It seals in the moisture into your hair strands, helps your hair to stay moisturized for longer. And just apply this on the lens. A little really does go a long way. She also ordered our hair growth oil infused with Ayurvedic herbs such as fenugreek and amla, which is so good for stimulating hair growth, but also as well fantastic for just overall healthy hair. It's also got peppermint and rosemary. I'm going to put it in this tube. Because it's made from glass, I really don't want it to smash on the way. Like, if she wants, she can also reuse this tube, recycle this tube, use it to put something else inside. When you have a small business, you really have to think about the packaging and like the branding. And for me, like, the overall experience I want my customers to feel when they're doing their hair, maintaining their hair, is to just feel happy, to feel joy. So I'm also going to throw in our direction cards for the products, and then I'm also going to throw in this information card. Because I already started filming this earlier, I've already filled out the thank you card. So it's got a code over here, and then it's just for Ella right there, and it just says you've passed the vibe check. So again, something fun. So she's really excited to film her unboxing. I used to actually work with Ella 2 years ago, so I was so excited the fact that she's ordered from me. I know her favorite color is blue, so I'm gonna put in this free sky blue scrunchie. I'm gonna give Ella this sticker, and it just says don't be afraid to take up space. And this is just something just to empower her and just to, again, spark joy and happiness. I also have these other stickers as well, which I just put like a random one in anyone's order, and sprinkle some of this on top. Paula ordered this satin lined bonnet. It has been out of stock for so long. Recently just put it back in stock, and already it's flying off. And as you can see, it's got a really nice wide band, doesn't slip off. Everyone loves this color so much. This is our bestseller. She also ordered some other bonnets from me, but then because she was waiting for this one has just arrived. I'm gonna throw in information card, a thank you note. This is a repeat purchase, so I've given her a different thank you card. I want to make sure everything is nice and flat. I want them to paste it through her letterbox. Okay, this next order again is another one of our bonnets, guys. I told you, so popular. This one is for Cynthia. I'm just gonna give her this one. I'm just gonna weigh each of the parcels. 572. Oh gosh. Trying to get the air out.